Hello dear students. Today we are going to learning about history chapter 1 class 6. It's part 6 when, where and how. It's a difficult words and pronunciation. In previous class we have completed some spellings. It's a difficult spellings and how to pronounce that. So today's class also continuing that. So I am taking here next spelling. Next spelling is there here. M-A-H-A-B-H-A-R-A-T-A. Mahabharata. How to pronounce this? Mahabharata. So what is Mahabharata? So it is the religious literature. Mahabharata is the religious literature. Okay, how to pronounce this? Mahabharata. Okay, and next spelling is there here. B-I-B-L-E. Bible. B-I-B-L-E. It is also religious literature and the holy book of Christians. Okay, how to pronounce this? Bible. So next is there here Quran. Q-U-R-A-N. Quran. So the Quran also religious literature and the holy book of Islam. See here. Next spelling is there. K-U-T-I-L-Y-A. Kautilya. So Kautilya, how to pronounce this? K-U-T-I-L-Y-A. So actually, but spelling is coming that Kautilya. K-A-U-T-I-L-Y-A. Kautilya. So he was wrote the Arthashastra. So next see here. A-R-T-H-A-S-H-A-S-T-R-A. Arthashastra. So the Kautilya was wrote the book, that is the Arthashastra. So how to pronounce this? A-R-T-H-A-S-H-A-S-T-R-A. This is Arthashastra. So next spelling is there here. K-A-L-I-D-A-S. Kalidasa. What is this? Kalidasa. So next is there S-U-R-D-A-R-K-A. Surdarka. So what is this? Surdarka. So next spelling is there here. M-E-G-A-S-T-H-E-N-E-S. Megasthenes. Megasthenes. M-E-G-A-S-T-H-E-N-E-S. Megasthenes. He was the Greek ambassador and he was wrote the Indica, the book of Indica. See here, next spelling. A-M-B-A-S-S-A-D-A-R. Ambassador. What is this? Ambassador. So next spelling is there here. C-H-A-N-D-R-A Chandragupta. You know that Chandragupta Maurya, he was the ruler of Mauryan Empire. And next, see here, next spelling is there, Administration. Administration. Okay, so administration, how to rule the country, how to rule the empire. And next spelling is came here, Pilgrims, pilgrims. Okay, some Buddhist pilgrims or Chinese pilgrims invaded to India. Okay, see here, next one is the Fahian. He was Chinese pilgrimage. And next see here, Huwenstang. See here, some again spellings are there here. Okay, it's okay, completed here these old spellings, today's spellings. So once again I repeated this one. See here, Mahabharata, okay, Bible, Quran, Kautilya, Arthashastra, Kalidasa, Surdarka, Megasthenes, Ambassador, Chandragupta, Administration, Pilgrims, Fahian and Huwenstang. Okay, so these are difficult words and how to pronounce these words. So once again I repeating these all. See here once again, Mahabharata, Bible, Quran, Kautilya, Arthashastra, Kalidasa, Surdarka, Megasthenes, Ambassador, Chandragupta, Administration, Pilgrims, Fahian and Huwenstang. Okay students, I hope today's topic, difficult words and pronunciation, you understood. So these all difficult words you write in your notebook and you read it correctly, you pronounce it correctly, these all words. Okay students, I hope you all are understood today's topic. So next concept I am continuing in next class. Thank you.